This is not Greece. You're looking at Acropolis Gardens and Residence, a breathtaking oasis nestled in Okija, Anambra State, Nigeria. And this isn't just a luxury estate, it's the first international golf city and resort in Anambra State. But behind this masterpiece is a man you barely hear about, Ernest Obiejesi, popularly known as Obijackson, a silent billionaire who speaks more through his works than his words. So, who is this quiet storm from Okija? Born right there in Okija, Anambra State, Obijackson started building his empire way back in 1978 when he joined his father's family business. But it didn't stop there. In no time, he founded Obijackson West Africa Limited, a company that traded goods across West Africa. That humble start paved the way for the Nestoil Group, a top player in Nigeria's oil and gas industry today.
Before I go in, let's take a moment to appreciate the Nestoil Tower. It's giving main character energy, our construction team 8, and left no crumbs with this one. This structure is a massive blow up compared to our humble beginnings at Idumota. The fact that we have been cooking and serving steadily for over 30 years is one of our biggest flex, no cap. We also have extra cool points for providing extended services across diverse industries, ranging from dredging to construction, dry docking, drilling, shipping, aviation and offshore fabrications. I stand our amazing staff, working with the best team. It's different for real. They always deliver to the team. At Nestoil, we always understand the assignment and our results show full doings. We remain committed to delivering unmatched vibes and maintaining our status as the GOAT when it comes to local content and capacity development. Later, fam.
He's also the brains behind the Obijackson Foundation, touching lives through healthcare, education, and empowerment.
We are here in Lagos, Nigeria. We are so happy to partner again with the Obijackson Foundation here at Diomed Medical Center in Lagos. Hospitals for Humanity has been performing open heart surgery for children for the last 10 years. We're all here to provide a free service to uplift the medical community here in Nigeria.
Congenital heart disease occurs in 1 out of 100 children, about 0.8 out of 100. So 8 out of every 1,000 kids will see that actually has congenital heart disease.
And let's not forget, he's currently estimated to be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Quiet money, big impact. Now back to Acropolis Gardens and Residence. This is not your everyday development. It was launched in April 2024. This place isn't just fancy, it's visionary. Acropolis boasts lush green lawns, a fully equipped golf course, premium residences, and a vibe that says, "You've made it." Obijackson did not just build another estate, he brought class, comfort, and culture to Okija, making the town a global reference for luxury and leisure. This is a place where most of your top celebrities come to unwind and enjoy themselves during free time. And just when we've seen it all, Obijackson's daughter gets married, and not just to anyone, but to the son of another billionaire. Since yesterday, the internet hasn't rested. From the opulence to the A-list guests to the luxurious celebration, this wedding is now the talk of the entire country. Talk about a billionaire flex done tastefully. From running a multi-billion naira oil empire to transforming Okija into a dream destination and now giving Nigeria its first international Gulf city, Obijackson is proof that real wealth makes moves, not noise. This is Acropolis. This is legacy. This is the silent billionaire from Anambra State, making Nigeria proud.